Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy Ayurvedic oil. Take a saucepan, coconut oil 1 cup or choose any carrier oil. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Clove 2 teaspoon. Fenugreek seeds 2 tablespoon. Nigella seeds 2 tablespoon. Stir well. Neem powder 1 tablespoon, curry powder 1 tablespoon, moringa powder 1 teaspoon. Stir well. Keep the flame low. Benefit of this oil: promotes faster growth, adds shine and strength follicles, prevents premature graying, protects from damage. Strain it. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Castor oil 3 teaspoon. Mix well. Rosemary or lavender essential oil 10 drops. Mix well. Now the oil is ready to use.